Heavy monsoon rains in Pakistan have claimed at least 58 lives and injured 30 people. That is according to the Pakistan National Disaster Management Authority. The rains have also displaced hundreds of people and ravaged thousands of acres of standing crops and caused huge damage to houses and infrastructure. The Pakistani authorities continue rescue and relief activities in affected areas, particularly Balochistan, Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Punjab and Sindh provinces. They have not requested international assistance at this stage. Flash floods have affected at least 13 villages in the Kabul province in the last few days. Homes, schools, mosques have been destroyed or badly damaged. UN agencies and international NGOs have been asked to help with needs assessments and other information collection tasks. Also here, obviously, UN and humanitarian partners are ready to provide particularly food, basic household items, clean water, sanitation and emergency health support if required.